Welcome back, dear students, in our science class. Today we are going to study about simple methods of separating solids from other solids. Let's begin with first method, hand picking. When the visible unwanted particles are removed by hand, the process is called hand picking. This is the simplest method of separating unwanted materials from the useful ones. This method is used only when the unwanted material is present in smaller quantity and size, shape or color of the unwanted material is different from that of the useful ones. Most food grains such as wheat, rice, pulses, etc. contain very small pebbles and sometimes insects too. These are removed by hand picking. Now let us understand second method, magnetic separation. This method is used to separate the mixtures containing a magnetic substance. For example, a mixture of sand and iron fillings can be separated by using a magnet. A magnet is moved through the mixture. The magnetic substance, like iron fillings, cling to the magnet and can be removed. Big machines like cranes are used to separate magnetic substances from the junkyard. Now, third method, sieving. Sieving is a method of separating components of different sizes from a mixture using a sieve. A sieve is a shallow vessel that has small holes. The size of the holes in the sieve depends on the size of the components of the mixtures to be separated. The smaller components pass through the pores of the sieve, whereas the larger components are retained in it. This method is used at homes to separate wheat bran from flour. Similarly, large sieves are used to separate pebbles and stones from sand at construction sites. Now next method, threshing. Threshing is done to take out the grain from its outer covering called chaff. This can be done manually by striking the crop against a hard surface or by making farm animals trample the crop. Nowadays, a machine called thresher is also used for threshing. After threshing, the grain has to be separated from its outer covering called chaff. This can be done by winnowing. In this process, the mixture is dropped on the ground from a height. The heavier seeds fall almost vertically down, whereas the lighter chaff gets blown away by the wind and falls at a distance. Nowadays, winnowing also done by a winnowing machine.